Hello everyone, this is our newly constructed Lego table. It is made out of four IKEA Trofast storage systems, and then it's topped by a melamine board at the top, and it's capped off by this 1x2 trim that I put all around the melamine board so that the pieces do not roll over. Overall dimensions are about 5 feet by 8 feet. So we get about 40 square feet of usable play area. And each of these IKEA storage units or storage systems can hold about 9 bins. And this gives us a total of 36 bins of sorted Lego pieces. What I've tried to do for my kids is we have tried to create labels for each of the different parts. It's really difficult to keep the parts sorted, but so we have made it as simple as possible for my children to try and use this system as much as possible. So over on the right hand side we have all the strips, the 1x strips, the smooth strips, plates, all the pretty much all the dimensions of all the plates. Over here we have various auto parts related pieces, so wheels and axles. We have the windshields, and then we have the wing bins, the small wing bins, the large wing bins, circle pieces, small and large. Over in the middle, we have some space over here, so this is where our generic blocks, the basic Lego building blocks go. And this is about a 32-gallon bin that probably needs to be sorted, but for now it is holding all of our blocks. Over on the next set of bins, we have the home related stuff. So we have the doors and windows, the panels, the fences, and then we have various arches and vegetation and animals and all of that. And then over on the left hand side here, we have the more advanced stuff. So the Technique small parts, the gears, the axles, the Technique beams, bricks, and then we have the accessories bin, and then the ball joint parts. So what's really cool about these IKEA units is it's super flexible. So you can swap this with whatever size bins you want to hold in here. It's capable of holding these thin bins. These are about 4 inches deep, or you can swap it with the one that I have here, which is about 8 inches deep or 8 inches tall. And it just gives you the flexibility to utilize the IKEA Trofast systems in a pretty flexible way depending on what your needs are. Over at the top, what I've done is I used one 4x8 board, and then I had another 4x8 board that I had to cut about 1 foot wide, and you can see this line in the middle. So that makes the total dimensions of over 5 feet by 8 feet, and I'm hoping that this would be really useful for my kids to build their towns and cities and everything else that they'd like to build on this new Lego table. Thank you very much for watching.